To everyone, welcome to our social class. I hope you all enjoyed the previous video. Before going the topic, you do the 5-finger meditation 3 times. Thank you, Kutis. In last class, we discussed about Taj Mahal and Nalanda University. Today, we are going to see about Konark Temple. The Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha is a beautiful stone temple built in the form of chariot of the sun god. It is made of sandstones and has 12 pairs of wheels and 7 horses. The spokes of the wheels are carved and sundials and can tell the time of the day. 2 giant lions guard the entrance gate. This is the image of Konark Temple. Next we are going to see about Golconda Fort. The fort of Golconda is situated near Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. It was built in 13th century and is located on a hill. It has 10 km long thick outer wall. There are a number of cannons, gateways and royal rooms. The most interesting feature of this fort is that it is built in such a way that when the king would clap, the sound could be heard at the fort's main gate. This was the great use at the time of an attack or outside threat. The fort consists of a palace, parade ground, mosque, and armory and other structures. The main gate of the fort is called Fetch Darwaza or the Great Gate of Victory. This is the image of Golconda Fort. Next we are going to see about Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is situated in Mysore, Karnataka. This famous palace was built in the 14th century and has been broken and rebuilt many times. The palace is a blend of Hindu, Muslim and Western architecture. It is built from stone and has 3 stories with deep pink marble domes and a tower. The palace has carved rooms, a royal wedding hall, temples, public court, armory, etc. Dasra festival has been celebrated at the palace for the last 200 years. During the festival, the entire palace is lit up by beautiful lights and many artists perform at the palace. This is the image of Mysore Maharaja Palace. Next we are going to see about Humayun's tomb. That is Humayun's tomb. Tomb means a large palace usually built of stone under the ground where the body of an important person is buried. That is a palace usually built of stone under the ground where the body of an important person is buried. Humayun was a Mughal king and the father of the famous Emperor Akbar. After the death of Humayun, his wife Haji Begum started the construction of his tomb in the 16th century in Delhi. A Persian architect was specially invited from Afghanistan to design a structure. The tomb is built with red sandstones in the middle of a square garden. It has charbagh garden with water canals running at its center. It is one of the most famous garden tombs in India. Several rulers of the Mughal kingdom are buried in this tomb. Humayun tomb is now a World Heritage Site. This is the image of Humayun's tomb. Next we are going to see about Cathedral Church. The Sikh Cathedral Church in Goa is one of the largest churches in Asia. The church's altar is dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria, who was a Christian scholar and saint of the 4th century. It has 5 bells, of which the largest one, known as the Golden Bell, is the largest church bell in Goa. The church is influenced by the Portuguese architecture. The construction of the church took 100 years and it was completed in the 17th century. This is the image of Cathedral Church. Okay, thank you, Kutis. Today I am going to assign a homework for you. Do book page number 16, practice zone 1. Thank you, cuties. Thanks for listening. Stay home, stay safe.